Do you want to learn new technologies from experts for free? Docker, Kubernetes, Azure DevOps, Git, .NET development, nodeJS, DevOps, test automation, security, and many others. Come and subscribe to my YouTube channel for free. Why it is different? Because I have worked for more than 15 years with many companies all over the globe, some of them from the Fortune 500. And I will share with you my real experience in these videos. For example, if you want to learn Kubernetes and how to automatically deploy Docker image using Azure Pipeline, this video will definitely help you. The second video, if you want to learn more about Docker in more details, from installation, configuration, lifecycle, and many others. The other one, if you want to learn how to run unit testing within container and how to hook that into a pipeline for a full automation process. This one, if you are looking to get deep understanding about Git command with graphical animation to show you how each command works. For that one, if you would like to know more about intro about DevOps from high level. This one, if you want to understand how to achieve an end-to-end DevOps using Azure DevOps. The other one, if you want to know how and when to consider security within DevOps and not only implement continuous integration and continuous delivery, but also continuous assurance. The other one, if you would like to learn and know how to measure the deployment and different KPIs and what is the difference between them. The last one but not least, this video will help you if you are looking to take Azure DevOps exam and get Azure DevOps certificate. There are many other videos which I believe you will find very interesting topics to you.